Alright guys, I'm going to show you how you can install a website in under 2 minutes, very, very fast. So I'm actually I went to skyviewhost.com and I'm going to log into my account, okay? So I'm going to do that with a timer. So I went to Google, typed in timer, and I reset it, and we're going to start right now, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and log in. I do have my I'm going to grab my user ID. Okay, type it in there. It's going to take longer to actually cut and paste than it is to set up a brand new website on my site, on my domain. All right, so here we go. We'll go into services. I'm going pretty fast here. I'm not going to details. Going to active. Okay. Now we're going to log into cPanel. Scroll down to Softaculous, which is WordPress, which is right here. Okay, and then we're going to install a new WordPress. That's all fine. That's fine. I'm going to give it a J. Okay, I'm going to grab this ID so I don't forget it. Make sure if I typed it in wrong, I have it. And then I'm going to grab this password right here. Type that password into there, and I'm going to put it towards a domain, email. Okay, that's my email. Leave it English, and let's select a different one here. Let's just select this one right here and install. Okay, let's just check the time. We're at minute 24. We're already installed. Okay, there's the website right here, all looking good, everything ready to roll. I want to go into the admin, and guys, we're still at a minute 36 yet. We can still go a little bit further here. We can log into the admin side and do some other changes here. There we are. We're in the admin. That's how easy it is to change things. We could change the theme. We can add new plugins. I personally don't like these, so I would delete these in here. This is just a player that the theme wants to use. I would deactivate that because I'm going to be loading a professional theme on. All right, guys. Well, we're at 2 minutes right there. I'm going to stop this. We had this thing done way before 2 minutes. It didn't take long at all to set up a new WordPress website, just in under 2 minutes. And it took more time to log in than actually setting up the site. So if you got any questions, you got any concerns, please make sure you message me. Down below you'll see a message box. Make sure you message me, and I'll be able to help you out in building your website, getting you up so you can create multiple streams of income with your website. All right, guys, have a great day. I look forward to working with you.